Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the new iPhone XR against the Xiaomi Mi 8. So it's the A12 Bionic with 3GB of RAM against the Snapdragon 845 with 6GB of RAM. Now with that being said, let's get started. Up first is the iPhone XR. It has a Retina HD LCD display. It's on the latest version of iOS 12. It has the newest A12 Bionic CPU and in-house Apple GPU and 3GB of RAM. Then we have the Xiaomi Mi 8. It has a 1080p AMOLED screen. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before starting this test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Mi 8 wins by 1 point. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all the apps and games are running in the background. So in round 2 the scores are tied. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1 the Mi 8 won by 1 point. In round 2 the scores were tied. Now that just shows you how impressive the A12 Bionic is. It will be interesting to see how the next generation Snapdragon CPU performs next year. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I will have more videos coming up, including the Pixel 3 and OnePlus 6T, and you can expect to see the speed, camera and benchmark comparisons, so make sure you have that bell notification enabled. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.